once more I come over here to go in for the particular second video as I was continuing on the exercises and telling you what can come, what are the exercises that has to be solved in the introduction to Excel, right? Second exercise, it can be state whether the following statements are true and false. So these is important, true or false. You may write T for true and false, F for false. Now this particular true and false are given. Why? This is given because whether you know the particular subject or not. So regarding the particular subject, whether you know or not, it depends. Like if you have learned the particular chapter nicely, what Excel is about, so I will be helping you out how you can solve, what are the thinking abilities that you must be possessing within yourself so that you can pick the correct choice, right? So now I come to the state true and false once more. Over here now, number one, MS Excel. MS Excel, you can put on dash over here on MS Excel. MS Excel is a word processing software. Now see, if you're asked this question, whenever you're asked this question, that means you have to know whether what is MS Excel. Because students are doing MS Excel, they are not knowing what they are doing, they are enjoying the particular practicals, but what actually MS Excel? MS Excel is not a word processing software, I have told in my previous class. So it is not a word processing software. Word processing software is MS Word, I tell it. But over here MS Excel is, I have told once more, I'm telling, is a part of MS Office and it helps to make calculations. It is a sheets, you have sheets and it is divided into rows and columns. We can make calculations, we can do report cards, we can do various calculations in the particular Excel charts and graphs are also there. We can make those things. So Excel is a word processing software. We mark it as false. So if is there. So this is false. Now we come to the next one, that is a collection of spreadsheets. So whenever you must be having the knowledge of the spreadsheets, as I've told that each sheet is divided into rows and columns. And the spreadsheet, what is a sheet? What particular is a sheet? A sheet is just like a paper. You have the square papers. So over here also Excel is having sheet where you can type out in each cell. That sheet box, each box is called a cell. So I will be coming to cell over here after I go. Then you will understand also the thing. A collection of spreadsheet is known as a workbook. It's true. All the collection we call that a workbook. So that is true. Yeah, that is true. We get it as it's true. Yes. Now I come to the next one. Yes. The next one, the blank backstage. So I am over here in front. This is my backstage. So whenever I find a backstage view, so what view comes? Helps to save. So whenever I go to the backstage view, means I go to the file option, click, I get the backstage view. Okay. And there I can save. Yes, I can save. I can close. I can also open. And I open a workbook. Okay. Yes, I have worksheet also, we can do it, backstage view. So I can do that. Okay. So I can open a particular file by opening a file. I can take the particular sheets. Yes, I can open or close or open or open. I can fail the backstage view helps to save or close. Yeah, you can click on go to the save option and save the particular sheet. Yeah, we can do that. We can also close that one from the backstage view and close that particular sheet is closed. And obviously the workbook and worksheets are within that and it will be closed also. So that we can mark it as true. Yes, that we can mark it as true. Now coming to the intersection. Yes, coming to the intersection of a row and a column. Just like I was talking about the cell. A row is known as a cell and not a sheet. So over here, this will be marked as, like this is false. Here obviously this is false. This is not a sheet. Okay. So this one you got, this one you got, false. Last one, yes, in Excel, we cannot edit. It's telling edit, yeah, we cannot edit, yes, EDIT, edit. Edit, you must be knowing the meaning of edit. Edit means you can change it, you can manipulate it, okay. So edit, any changes that you can do. So you can, cannot edit. It's telling a bar, you cannot edit. Cannot, but we can edit. We can edit the data using the formula bar. Yeah, if you go to the formula bar and you can edit the particular data using the formula bar, we can change in the formula bar whatever we have in the cell. So whatever we have in the cell that is shown in the formula bar. So if you type out something, some word or some sentence also, we can rub that from the formula bar. Yeah. So we cannot means we can do it. So we cannot, that is false. So there it goes, and we know what is that. Now coming to the cell, first one, describe the following terms briefly. We come to the cell. You can see the best part is that cell is already there. The intersection of a row and a column is known as a sheet. There what in time the intersection of a row and a column, suppose one row is coming over here, yeah, one row is coming and one particular column is coming. So this is called a cell. This particular column is a cell. So this is a cell. So intersection of row and column is called a cell. So describe the following terms briefly. So briefly means 2 or 3 lines or 1 line, 1 sentence. So you can do that. That a cell is an intersection of a row and column. That's it. Coming to the active cell. So whenever you find the cell is active, means the cell is highlighted. Cell is highlighted with the particular black color highlighted. Rectangular. You will find it is highlighted. That means whatever you are typing on the highlighted bar, so that will be typed. If I write I, the I will be coming. If I write N, the N will be coming. So this is the active cell. Which one is active? Whatever I write, the active cell you can write out briefly as the active cell is a cell that is active, where we can put the data, where we can type out something that is active. Okay, that is not inactive. Whatever is that is active. Means that is currently in working condition. Fine. Okay, that's it. Now we come to the rows. So what are rows? I told this horizontal lines. These are called horizontal lines. You know, horizon where the sun rises is a horizon. So that is a horizontal line. And this line is called a row. This is called a row. So you can write that horizontal line that we have in the worksheet in an Excel, that is called a row. So this is done. And then we come for the columns. See how you go for the columns. So you need not learn by heart. You will be understanding columns. I told you this columns you find one bar. That is bar. You find over here the columns. This is a column. This is a column. So it is marked with A. I told you the columns are marked with A, B, C like this. And the rows are marked with 1, 2 like this, 1, 2 like this. So this is a column. The columns are the vertical ones. The vertical things, the vertical line. So 2 lines are there. Then we have the horizontal line. That is a particular column, and that is marked as A. So this particular rectangular line from here, that is particular, you will find this is a column. So this column has been done. So you know which are columns you find. I told about the rows. This is the rows, and these are the columns. So intersection of row and column, that is a cell. We have already told. Now coming to the fifth part, that is a sheet tab. Always you'll find in the bottom part, in the left side, you have a sheet tab. Sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 are by defaults. Okay, you click on the sheet tab, that sheet will be opening. So once you complete the particular sheet, that is sheet 1, if you want to go to the sheet 2, go to the sheet tab. You find down there is a sheet tab, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 is there in the down part. Okay, that you will find. Okay, the workspace of that thing. Then we come for the formula bar. The formula bar is very important. Whenever you typing down something, you get the formula. It's written formula bar, but in that cell, if you type out something, then there also we get the typed out thing. So it's not always that we do whatever we do in the particular formula bar is a particular aspect of the typing of the thing. The formula bar is whatever we do something, you find formula bar like this. Okay, and whatever, especially the formulas we are doing, either in the cell, whatever we are doing in the cell, that has been reflected in the formula bar. So formula bar is a bar, whatever we are typing out in the particular cell, that is been reflected in the formula bar. Okay, hope this is clear up to this. Thank you. Yeah.